What is up, guys? Welcome to another video, and today is going to be a vlog. But as you can see, the XSR900 is still on the stands. Which one are we taking today?
The 750 with Mitzi and Andy. It's decent out. What the fuck? It's decent out, so I'm gonna try to take this guy out. Old lady gotta stretch its legs a little bit. We're just gonna go wash our bikes, or her bike, and then we'll come back later and I'll swap out for the 900 because I don't trust long distances with this guy yet. But yeah, let's get it. We're just gonna watch Mitzi's bike real quick and then come back and then I don't know, do our normal ride and chill type of vibes. So let's get it. Alright guys, I'd be lying to y'all if I'm not a little bit nervous. But on our first XS750 ride with the gang, we get to really test out the bike on the street this time. Alright, you guys ready? Alright. There's a shell that we can stop at on the way to the car wash. God, this is horrible. I know, right? This is my first time truly riding it out on the street. Let's see how she does. Old girl hasn't seen the road probably in freaking years. Literally years. And I could barely, god dang, this seat is so fucking wide. I really can't. Oh my god. Woo. It's probably the only time I'll ride it this far because the spark plugs that I put in here, brand new, but this thing's running stupid rich, so I gotta, what's it called? Dial up the needles, that way I don't follow my plugs again. Oh my god, the turning is so weird. Oh my god. Woo, I gotta chill out, there's no ABS. Oh my god. Fucking hell. No. You funny for that. Oh my god. Dude, this couch is so fucking comfy though. The seat, oh my god, I could do like miles on this thing. Damn. Never mind. Nah. God damn, these mirrors are so fucking big. What the? I can see my whole future back there. I can see my past, yeah. No way we chopping up traffic with a 78, yeah. Woo! Holy shit, that's fuck! Oh my god! Holy fuck! Brother! It's nimble as fuck though, damn! Yeah, it's nimble as shit. I'm impressed. Alright, there's a Shell gas station right here, and then behind that Shell gas station is the self-wash. Oh my god, I almost lost my balance. Holy fuck. Yours work? Oh, hell yeah. That's what's up. She lived long enough. Alright guys, first fill up of the XS750. I don't know, should I give her a full tank? There's really no use in having a full tank. We'll do a little bit. Oh, hello? Uh-oh, baby's calling. Hello? Okay, sounds good. There you go. Oh my god, it's so much easier without the stock airbox, because I don't have to like, I could just easily reach everything. It's so great. But yeah, we're gonna wash the bikes real quick and Alright guys, while my homies are washing their bikes, I figured since I'm gonna make this an XS750 video, first ride, I'm really happy with how everything turned out. I'm actually really proud of myself for getting this thing to run, and I didn't know what I was getting into when I purchased this guy. So yeah, she runs, she's good. She's on Facebook Marketplace for you lucky owners that want to get it. Whoever's watching this, but yeah, I really just wanted to buy this and get back into an XS750. If it sells again, if it sells, then it sells. If it doesn't, then I'll just keep it and I'll build it into a cafe racer, like originally planned. So yeah, I think that's all I got for this video. I'm gonna cut it off there because we're still gonna hang out today, but I think that's gonna be a vlog this time. I decided last minute while we were riding, this will just be an XS750 vlog. So since I'm test riding it out in the streets, so yep. Plan is we're just gonna go back. I'm gonna swap the XSR900 and I'll continue the vlog of the day. But yeah, XS750 is running out in the streets. Old gal is reliable. More POV videos when I'm going home. She's running a top. Oh, I think the clutch slipped there. What the heck? Too much power. I don't even know what gear I'm in now. Is that sixth? No, that's sixth. 5, 4. Okay, we're in 4th gear. Nice. But yeah, I'm pretty proud of where this bike has gotten. If I were to keep this thing, I would definitely change the handlebar. But for now, it is on. I'm just gonna keep it how it is, factory as can be. Because if it sells, it sells, and if it doesn't, then I'll build it. Huh? You said what? No, I'm not fucked. I would just build it. I would just build my vision. Hey guys, I'm doing an XS750 special giveaway. Buy yourself some merch and you could have a chance to own this mint low mileage 78 750. Now I got that bike done. Now I got that GS done. The Ruckus is next, but that Ruckus might be a little tough. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this 750 video, and see you guys in the next vlog.